Hey, welcome to today's Excel tip. Now, most of the times you might have a series of texts that you'd want to sort. If you try and sort that text, so let's try and sort them. Let's not expand the selection, let's just sort. You realize that it's not really sorting by alphabetical order. And the reason being, some of the texts have a space either in front of them or after them. So it makes it difficult for the system to sort. So let me undo that and show you how it's done. We use the trim function to cut away all preceding spaces in a text field. So let's use it equal to trim. That's the function. Let's find the trim of this cell, which is B4. And there you go. You see the leading blank has been trimmed off. Let's double click on the bottom right corner to propagate this. And there you see everything has been trimmed off. Now I'm going to use another technique. I want to remove the formulas in this, so I can actually copy this use of text and paste as value. So that will remove all the formulas, the trim formulas I used. And now let's sort this and see what happens. So I can sort this. Let me just sort the current selection, and there you go. It's been sorted by alphabetical order. So that's how you use the trim function to remove leading spaces in your text fields. Try this and let me know how it goes.